When rebuilding a failing stream bank, you need solutions that provide protection so the same erosive forces don't repeat their damage. Hi, I'm Olivia with Friends of the Reedy River, here to tell you about geolifts. Using a geolift, a stream bank is graded to a stable slope and large stones or boulders are placed as a foundation where the bank meets the river. This solid base supports increasing layers of natural, stabilizing materials such as soil layers, coconut coir logs, vegetated bundles, live stakes, and more. The layers are repeated until the desired stream bank height is reached, scaling back with each layer to mimic the natural slope of a floodplain. Geolifts are weakest at the time of their installation, but as the live stakes mature into trees and shrubs, they provide an extensive root system that provides strength and stabilization for the stream bank.